Now I will create some folders and add some files. So I will add a folder for the database. So, and inside I will add a Go file called connect. And we already have a package for database now, so I'll keep it like this. So inside the database folder, we have the connect function. Now I will cut this code and move it to the database now. I'll create a function here, connect. So everything is okay. We need also to add the import for MySQL here. So I need to add the import. For the database, we don't want to use it for the moment. So if we don't want to use a variable, we need to put an underscore in front of it. So this means that we get the variable, but we don't want to use it. And now let's use the connection now. So to import this package, we have to add here in the import database. So this is not database, it should be /database. So in this folder, the database package. And to call our connect function here, we have to use it like this. We'll call the database, which is the package .connect. So now nothing has changed because we moved the function here. One thing to mention, we need to create functions with a capital case like this. So if you change this connect to lowercase, we cannot call it here. So connect doesn't exist. So in order to share the function with with other packages, we have to make them uppercase. So like this, we can connect. Now the other thing that I will add is a folder routes. Inside I'll create a routes file. So we have package routes here, and I will add this part there. I'll create a function setup, and I will paste this code. Now we need the app, so we have to pass this app as a property here. So this app is a type of app fiber.app, but is also a pointer, so it should be like this. And how to use that? We have to use it the same. We have to get the routes here, and the routes need to call setup with the app variable inside. So this thing is cleared also. Now there is also one last thing. So this function itself, I will create another folder here, controllers, and I will cut this code, and I will create here a controller. I will call it auth controller, and I'll paste this, and let's name this function. This is just, I will call it hello, and that's it basically. To call that function in the routes, we have to import first import controllers here, and to get the file we have to call controllers hello, and that's it. Now everything is separated with their own functionality. If we start the server now, we have no errors and nothing will change. Also, something else to mention about packages. Since this has package controller, we can create another file here. I'll call it other controller, and I'll create a function here, other. Note that we are using the same package here, controllers, and this will return, so I'll copy this part. This will return other controller. So let's use also this other controller in the routes, and to use it we need to specify a route other, and we don't have to import anything else. So we are importing controllers, the package controllers, and we have to call other here. So this will behave just like one file, but they are actually different files. So this is one of the features of the packages. And now I will need to restart the server. We can see hello world here, but if we go to other, we can see other controller here. So they are working fine. Also, we cannot name this function hello, because this hello will conflict with this hello here. So just think of these packages as one file. You don't have to add the same function 2 times. So I will remove this other controller because we don't need it. And I will remove it here also. And I will restart the server so everything works fine. So this is how packages work.